Welcome to One Chemistry. In this video, we are going to see what is term symbols. Mostly the term symbol identified for metal ion. It is very important topic. We will discuss very detailed way with some tricks. Stay tuned. What is inside this video? First, we will see what is term symbol. Then formula behind the term symbol, which includes total spin, angular momentum, total angular momentum, and step-by-step procedure of it. More importantly, we are going to see 5 previous year questions, 5 tricks for problem solving. Here I given quick reference for you. It will help you to solve the problem. Better you memorize this. The D electronic configuration and term symbol. Here you can clearly see similar configurations are grouped. For example, D1, D9 same. Term symbol is D2. It is easy to memorize this table. Just write DFF DS. Write 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So you can memorize easily. For exam, memorization will help. Let us see what is term symbol. Term symbol is a kind of quantum descriptor, like unique symbol, like fingerprint. For every state of electron, it is a kind of fingerprint. Where it will be used? It is used for atomic emission, absorption spectra, and to identify the transition. The symbol normally look like one subscript, superscript, and symbol. Like atomic symbol, it is term symbol. The important thing is formula for term symbol. Formula is L power 2s plus 1 subscript j. This is the formula. Here S means total spin quantum number, meaning multiply half with number of unpaired electron. Just look at it, unpaired electron. The word is important. Then L is orbital quantum number. L0 mean S, 1 mean P, 2 mean T, so on and so forth. J is total angular quantum number. Normally it is J equals L plus S or L minus S or J equals S. L minus S means it is less than D5 configuration or less than half filled. J L plus S mean more than half filled. J equal S mean D5 configuration. The L you identify from sum of the position. While solving you can identify clearly. Better you memorize the formula and calculation behind it. Here step by step procedure I given. First step would be find the central metal atom with charge. Then write electronic configuration of the atom with high or low spin. Better look at the ligand and find the spin. Then find the value of L which will give you the symbol SPDFG. Then count the unpair of electron. Then multiply by half you get S. Then 2S plus 1 you can get it. Then find J which is L plus S and L minus S. Then write the final symbol. Final symbol is 2S plus 1 L subscript J. Here I given one example D4 system. D4 means clearly see 4 unpaired electron because it's less than half filled. 4 unpaired electron. So S will be half into 4 gives 2. 2S plus 1 is 2 multiplied by 2 plus 1 gives 5. L is 2. You add all the L values plus 2 plus 1 minus 1 gives plus 2. 2 means D. It is less than half filled. So J equals L minus S. L is 2, S is 2. So J is 0. So standard term symbol is 2S plus 1 LJ. 2S plus 1 is 5. L is D. J is 0. So the term symbol is 5D0. Now getting into the real problem. Find the term symbol for V3 plus. The choices are 3F, 3P, 1H2, 3H, then 2G. So we will go by the basic and step by step procedure. First we will find the electronic configuration of vanadium which is 3D3, 4S2. It is V3 system, that is you have to remove 3 electron. So it becomes D2 configuration. 3D2 means 2 unpaired electron. So S will be 1, 2S plus 1 will be 3, L will be sum of plus 2 plus 1 which gives 3. So L equals 3 mean F. 2S plus 1 L. Here J not given as a choice. So real will be 2S plus 1 L. So 3F is our answer. So to identify the term symbol, you should memorize the periodic T block elements. Then the next question, find the term symbol for nickel 2 plus. The choices are 3F, 3P, 4F, 2G. We will go by our understanding. First, you find the electronic configuration. Nickel is D8 system. The configuration is 3D8 4s2. The configuration is 3D8 4s2. Here nickel in the charge of 2 plus. So it is a D8 system. Yes, 2 electron will be removed. So fill the orbitals. If you fill it, you have 8 electron. 5 first, then 3 with low spin. Here Pauli's exclusion principle, half-warp principle, all will apply. All fundamental rules will apply. If you do it, you have 2 unpaired electron and L value will be sum of all. Here first shell has 2 electron, so you should count 2 times, plus 1 2 times, 0 2 times, minus 1 minus 2. If you calculate it, it will be 3. L is 3 mean F system. S will be 2 unpaired electron, so it is 1. 2s plus 1 mean 3. So the term symbol will be 2s plus 1 Lj. Here j is not in the question. So 2s plus 1 L mean 3f system. So the term symbol is 3f. Then the tricky question. Find the term symbol for the system 4p1 3d1. Here two orbitals are given. The choices are 3f, 3s, 1f, 2g. You should not confuse with it. You should calculate with basics and just add it. You will get final symbol. 4p3d, write the orbital separately. 1 electron mean L will be 2 plus 1 which is 3. L3 means F system. Here 2 unpaired electron, P1 electron, T1 electron. So 2 unpaired electron mean S equals 1. 2s plus 1 mean 3. So term symbol will be 2s plus 1 J. 2s plus 1 is 3. L is F. So the term symbol is 3F. Then the next question. The pair of electronic configuration representing ground term 3F2 is P1D1, S1D1, S1F1, D1F1, D1F1, P1D1, P1D1, S1F1. Here question is reverse, so you have to go reverse way to identify the real configuration. Here let us break the term symbol. Here you have 3F2 system, 2s plus 1 Lj mean 2s plus 1 is 3. 3 mean you have 2 unpaired electron. All the system has 2 unpaired electron. So we have to go with L. S is not useful. If you look at the L, P1D1 gives L equals 3. L equals 3. S1D1 gives 0. S1F1 also gives 3. D1F1 gives 5. So if you look at it, totally 4 configuration. If you do it, you can clearly see D is our answer. P1, D1, S1, F1. Because both has L value 3, that would be our answer. The concept you have to learn here is always master the term symbol to configuration, configuration to term symbol. Then the final one, find the term symbol for zinc 2 plus system 3F, 6S, 1H1, 1S1. You should find which will be term symbol for zinc 2 plus. Zinc 2 plus system is D10 system. The configuration is 3D10 4s2. Zinc 2 plus system. So you should remove 2 electron. So it is D10 system. Here the important thing is completely filled orbital. If you calculate total L value mean, one will cancel another. So you will get L equals 0. L equals 0 mean S system. Here no unpaired electron. So S is 0. So 2S plus 1 is 1. So the time symbol will be 2S plus 1 Lj mean 1S. So the answer is D, 1S. Then we summarize with tricks and concepts. The formula for time symbol is 2s plus 1 Lj. S is half multiplied by unpaired electron. Here J is L plus S or L minus S. L minus S mean less than half filled. L plus S mean more than half filled. J equal to S mean half filled. Very important thing you should learn here is completely filled orbital has S0 L0 value. So don't waste the time. Straight away you write it. 2s plus 1 mean unpaired electrons plus 1. Don't get into the formula. Just count unpaired electrons plus 1. The L value 0 mean yes. Then 1 mean P. So on and so forth. Then you should know orbital construction with L value. S is 0, P is plus 1 to minus 1, D is plus 2 to minus 2, F is minus 3 to plus 3. Then for quick solving, DFF DS 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.